This is Naidu Darapaneni, founder and CEO of MeraEvents.com. MeraEvents was started in 2009 October, but the growth of the company was mainly for the last 2 years. Now, MeraEvents is one of the largest 360-degree event technology solution company in Indian market, and we have presence in all the major metropolitan cities here. And today I'm happy to announce that MeraEvents is to reach to the next level. MeraEvents.com actually raised $1 million USD from Omix International Group, Omix International company, and which is also, as you know, they primarily Omix Group is scientific conferences. They do multiple scientific conferences, publish journals on the scientific side and medical conferences side, medical side, and they do more than 300 plus different conferences all over the world. This funding helps us to grow to the international and grow to the bigger market, nationwide presence. At the same time, also gives us strategical partnership with Omix Group to take our technology into various conferences across the worldwide market. So one good thing about the event industry is ever-growing industry. Whether the market is good or bad, people wanted to meet, and there is a value in meeting the people in one-on-one in the conferences and the events. So this industry is bound to grow year on year. Last year we covered up close to 10,000 plus events. There's still a lot more events which we are yet to cover in the market because this is a very, very unorganized sector. People are not aware of it. So we are actually educating them how you can use technology to reach to the maximum audience, how to use digital marketing so to reach to the maximum audience and various activities. Yeah, we are actually coming with multiple products called EasyTag.in. What basically this does is, on the day of the event, how do you do a check-in process and badge printing so easily without cumbersome process? So we have a product called EasyTag.in. At the same time, we have a product called MooseUp.com, which helps you to do the networking before, during, or after the event. We have a product called Digibroc.com, which is actually helps you to do digitize the brochures online, electronic copy. We're about to launch Venues.MeraEvents.com, which helps you to find the venues across various venues across India. So that we have multiple products on this space, which are able to come more products also. We are planning to expand to a team 100 plus people and all over India. First, our primary focus is Indian market. We want to capture the Indian market completely. It's a very 5,000 crore plus event industry. We have not even captured 1% of the Indian industry as of now. So we definitely want to penetrate into the Indian industry a lot more. And then slowly we want to go to the Asian countries and other places too. Revenue, we are targeting almost close to 400 crores in the next 4 years alone. So we have a huge scope to go to the next level. So, I mean, I see a very bright future for the technology or the event industry because I'm coming from an IT background of 15 years experience, and the event industry is not very organized. Using my experience of 15 years of experience of IT industry in an industry like event industry, really it gels very well, and a lot of people are very, very happy because it saves a lot of time and indirectly it increases their business revenue. And there is no upfront cost for them to start the relationship. So with the listing of an event is a free of cost in MeraEvents.com. We actually focus any kind of event which is a public event, whether it's a professional event, entertainment event, campus event, it could be a spiritual event, it could be a sports event, it could be a training program. So any kind of event which is a public related event. So we actually do put up event. We are not only limited to corporate events or professional events.